It all starts with data. AI algorithms are trained on massive datasets. These datasets contain information about the task the AI needs to perform. For example, an AI designed to identify cats in pictures would be trained on millions of images labeled as cat or not cat. Through this training process, the AI learns to recognize patterns and features associated with cats. Once trained, the AI can then analyze new, unseen data and make predictions or decisions. It's like teaching a child to ride a bike. At first, they need training wheels and guidance, but eventually, they learn to balance and ride independently. AI comes in different forms, each with varying levels of complexity.